Seifert from Auburn, Illinois, and with my wife, Roxy. This is a 1976 Trans Am. So this car, I went to college with the gentleman that bought this car brand new. And when we graduated, I bought the car off him for $4,000 in 1979. I've had it ever since. This car was in a tornado in 2006, January 2nd. A truss had fallen down on the front, the hood, and the back and kicked off to the sides. So almost the whole car had to be repainted after the tornado. We didn't think the car was worth being repainted until the insurance guy told us what that we should have it appraised at. So then we went ahead and got the car fixed. While I was at the body shop's mother, the guy that runs the body shop, backed in the other side. So we didn't have to pay much money into it at all to get it completely restored. So we've had it, like I said, since 1979. And the interior is still original. It's got a 455 motor, and it's still original. It's got the Super T10 transmission. We love hanging out with all these Firebird people. It's great. I found out that there's not a lot of 1976s out there, which makes me feel a little bit better. So that's about it in a nutshell.
So what makes it a 76 in the front?
Okay, so the bumper, John Chanilla in 1976 decided that the bumper needed to be redesigned. So the bumpers in the front and the bumpers in the back was redesigned from the 75 and the 74s.
Pop the hood?
I certainly can. She's all stock, so she is what she is. So air conditioning, like I said, big motor. It's just a fun car. This was the last year, as far as I know, that the 1976 come out with the 455. After 1976, they no longer made the 455.
Anything you want to wrap up with?
It's just great being here with this Firebirdfest. Get to meet a lot of great people, see a lot of great cars, and have a good time.